Dear aspirants, people keep asking me, students keep asking me this question of, sir, how to overcome the humiliation the society is throwing at us? How to overcome the insult the people around us are throwing at us? Every UPSC aspirant or every human being for that matter would have been subjected to insult or humiliation in his life in different times. For an average human being, the occasions may be rare, sometimes it may not be. For a UPSC aspirant, the occasions are numerous to be humiliated. Why is it so, sir? The duration of this UPSC preparation is around 2 years minimum. If you are not clearing in the first attempt, one more year is added to your preparation. And if you are an average student, if you do not have a proper mentor, one more year may be added to your preparation. Sir, when you wanted to prepare, the whole society, the people around you, they will criticize that you will not do that. You cannot do this. You cannot clear this examination. And having taken a decision by you to clear this examination and to prepare for this examination, everybody around you who insulted, everybody around you, they will say that you are taking a decision against their perception that you cannot do it. And having taken the decision, if you falter them at any one moment, for example, if you are not clearing the preliminary, then everybody will come with reinforced energy and they will cause humiliation to you. Sir, you are preparing for the UPSC examination, which means your skin should be thick. You should develop a thick skin, which means that you should develop the ability to face these humiliations. Sir, I am using the word humiliation or insult. Insult is a action. Humiliation is a result of this insult. In ethics paper, if I have to discuss like the ethics aspect of the UPSC mains paper, insult is an action caused by an individual. Humiliation is a result of the insult caused to the individual. Somebody causes insult to me and I am humiliated. Sir, this emotion of humiliation causes self-esteem, self-respect to go down. It gives a bad feeling, a feeling of abandonment, a feeling of being lost, a feeling of diminutiveness. You feel you are neglected, unwanted, ridiculed. Sir, now, having said that an UPSC aspirant is subjected to humiliation, now what we have to do with this? Can we stop this humiliation? Can we stop people insulting at us? We cannot. We can stop things which are in our hands, but we cannot stop what others have to say about us. So you need not have to worry about things which are not in your control. What you have to worry about? You can worry about things which are in your control. And about you, everything is in your control. About others, nothing is in your control. So let us not bother about what others tell to us. Others tell to us. Today the same mouth which says that we are good for nothing, once when we get a service, the same people will come and prices keep us on their heads. And sir, when you are being humiliated, you have only two options. One option is to buckle down under the pressure, under the declined self-esteem, and bury yourself into the ground. Option number two, use this humiliation, build a castle upon this humiliation, go up and stand on this castle, then reach the skies from there. Humiliations are like bricks thrown at you. You have the opportunity to be beaten by the bricks and perish, or you have the opportunity to use these bricks and build houses. And please, I am telling you, humiliation gives you an opportunity to mature yourself. An humiliated being is having an opportunity to transform himself. Everybody, the great leaders, if you take for example, all the great leaders in history, you have Mahatma Gandhi, B.R. Ambedkar, Martin Luther Jr. There are many examples. Few of them are here. Everybody had been personally humiliated by the society. Mahatma Gandhi, despite of the fact that he had the first class train ticket, he was caught, thrown outside the train in a place which is called Pietermaritzburg in South Africa. And historians say that incident made Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi to the process of Mahatma Gandhi. And here we have B.R. Ambedkar. Every door he walked, every place he went in India, he was ridiculed, criticized. And he was respected in abroad. Surprising. Because of his educational qualifications and intelligence. But in India, despite of the fact that he was the founder, he was the man who was responsible for the drafting of the constitution which we are reading today, and he has been ridiculed even after. Sir, Martin Luther, American civil rights activist, everywhere he was ridiculed. Sir, for what purpose are we humiliated, are we criticized? Gandhi was criticized because he was black. B.R. Ambedkar was criticized because he was downcast. Martin Luther again criticized because of his race, which is not in their control. You preparing for UPSC, which is in your control. And if the people criticize you, don't you be bothered, because this criticism will make you a better, an enlightened, a greater soul. Only if you use this criticism to develop yourself, introspect yourself, and use this criticism, don't you bother what this criticism's words consist of. It may be without any rationality. So, they keep on criticizing. You are like an idol of God. You are like a block of rock. And criticisms are like the hammer and the chisel which is used to mold this rock. And you should be strong enough to become a statue or an idol. And if you are not strong enough, under the hammer and the chisel, you will break down. So, dear UPSC aspirants, become stronger. The future is yours because the present is yours. The person who has got the present in his hand definitely commands the future. So, use this opportunity which is in front of you. The greatest opportunity which you have in front of you is being an aspirant. Use it to the best of your ability. All the very best.